Formatting numbers in Excel is critical for presenting data clearly, accurately, and professionally. While data may be entered as raw numbers, applying specific number formats changes only their appearance, not their underlying values, making your spreadsheets more readable and understandable. This is a key skill for Microsoft Office Specialist certification. In this lesson, you will understand the common number formats and how to apply them. Microsoft Excel offers various built-in number formats. For financial and statistical data, the following are frequently used. General. This is the default format. Excel applies it to any data not explicitly formatted. It tries to determine the best display for your input. Number. Displays numbers with an optional thousand separator and a specified number of decimal places. Currency. Displays monetary values with a currency symbol, e.g., the $, a thousand separator, and usually 2 decimal places. The currency symbol is aligned directly next to the number. Accounting. This is similar to currency, but it aligns the currency symbol to the far left of the cell and aligns the decimal points of numbers within a column, making financial reports very clean. Negative numbers are often displayed in parentheses. Percentage. Percentage multiplies the cell value by 100 and displays the result with a percent sign. For example, 0.25 becomes 25%. Date and time. This is used to display dates and times in various predefined styles. Text. Text treats data as text even if it looks like a number. Text formatted numbers cannot be used in calculations. There are other formats like fraction, scientific, and special. These are also available for specific needs. You can apply number format using the number group on the Home tab or through the Format Cells dialog box using the number group drop-down. This is the quickest way to apply common formats. To format cells, do the following. Select the cell or range you want to format. On the Home tab, in the number group, click the number format drop-down arrow. Select the desired format, e.g., currency, number, percentage, or accounting. Observe that the selected format applies to the cell or range. Using the Format Cells dialog box. This provides comprehensive control over all formatting options, including decimals, symbols, and how negative numbers appear. To use this, select the cell or range you want to format. Open the Format Cells dialog box using one of these options. 1. Press Ctrl+1. Or right-click the selected cell and choose Format Cells from the context menu. Or, on the Home tab, in the number group, click the dialog box launcher, a small arrow in the bottom right corner. Or, On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Formats. Select Format Cells from the menu list. In either case, the Format Cells dialog box will appear. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab. From the category list, select your desired format, e.g. currency, accounting, percentage. Adjust options like decimal places or symbol as needed. When you are done, click OK to apply the formatting. Number formats is essential in data presentation as it enhances readability and compliance system in different industries. It is a must-know knowledge if you are aspiring for a certification in Excel. In our next lesson, we'll discuss cell formatting.